Good morning, everyone. This is Mrs. Hajit. As you know, we are in the new year 2023, and unfortunately, being our first assembly, you're all at home. And I hope you remember your parents have told you the reason why you are at home. It's because we've got cholera in Blantyre and in Malawi, which everyone is trying to be safe from, and that means that you need to be clean. Make sure you wash your hands properly. Make sure you boil your water before you drink it. There are lots of tips that your parents will have that you need to remember to do before we start school again. Hopefully, we're back in school soon, but today was our assembly day and you couldn't be here. So I decided to do a short video so you can see what we are going to do for today. Today's assembly was about tree planting. Now, look behind us, we can see the beautiful green, lush, flamboyant tree, guava trees, the flamboyant tree that's growing. It's beautiful. It's a favorite time of my year, is the rainy season. So the rainy season is my favorite time of the year because we get so much rain, free water coming down, bucketing from the sky. A perfect time to plant. Remember, my favorite hobby is planting trees. So let's look at what our staff have been busy doing this holiday. I know some of you are having a good time going on to the lake or out of the country, but our staff at Nyasa were really busy. Let me show you what happened. Remember the flamboyant tree that grows in our courtyard that looks like an umbrella? It gives us lots of shade during assemblies. Well, it also produces seeds. And so our staff this holiday were busy planting these seeds. Look, they've been planting them in their little packets that they don't waste. We recycle, and we've got so many little seedlings. And there's a Mibawa one as well. We've got over 800 seedlings that we have ready to plant this. So I can't wait for you all to come back to school so you can help me either purchase some of the seedlings from here to plant in your own gardens, or we can go as a group to replant on some of the areas like the mountains, Zomba Mountain or Michiru Mountain, where they're been chopping a lot of trees and not replanting them. So we need all the help that we can get. Yeah, the world is suffering, and every little bit that we all do will help make a difference. So let's all join hands to do that.